Live from the local station, News 4 Jax starts now.
Mayo Clinic now operating beyond its capacity as more people are getting hospitalized with COVID-19, and doctors continue to see the same worrisome trend.
We're now seeing a different group of people coming into the hospital. The people are younger.
Mayo Clinic has activated its surge capacity plan, allowing the hospital to place patients in what it calls unlicensed beds.
And other local hospitals continue to report a steady rise in new admissions. News 4 Jax reporter Janice Harris begins our coverage at 6 o'clock at UF Health. Janice, you've been walking through the emergency room to get a firsthand look at the situation there.
Yes, we had a brief moment to go inside the emergency department here at UF Health. They're working around the clock to help these COVID-19 patients get better. But the one thing that we learned about the Delta variant is that it's so much more contagious. It could infect multiple people as opposed to the previous strains.
UF Health Jacksonville, Mayo Clinic, and Baptist Health all seeing more and more COVID-19 patients, and most of those patients have not been vaccinated. And now the age range of the patients that doctors and nurses are monitoring has changed.
We're now seeing a different group of people coming into the hospital. The people are younger.
According to state data, there are more than 5.5 million younger adults between the ages of 20 and 39 in Florida, but less than half of those age groups have received at least one dose of a vaccine. 41% for 20 to 29-year-olds and 49% for 30 to 39-year-olds. Dr. Reza adds the Delta variant makes it easier to infect more people. With the original virus, one person could infect 2 people. Now it's much more.
So one person infected can infect up to 9 to possibly 10 people. So we're talking about almost a different virus.
In the emergency department at UF Health, Dr. Elizabeth DeVos is seeing COVID patients every day at UF Health Jacksonville.
One word to describe what COVID is like this year thus far.
I think it is a marathon. Everybody is working like they're sprinting. It's really a hard and difficult type of work that we're doing all the time, but it doesn't seem like it's going to let up anytime soon. And so I think that's the part that's really difficult for our healthcare workers, is that everybody's putting in 1,000% every single day.
Jacksonville's Mayo Clinic is now over capacity with patients due to COVID. As of today, Baptist Health has admitted 73 new COVID patients, including one child. There's a total of 507 COVID patients across their 5 hospitals. 95 are in the ICU. 10 are children at Wolfson's Children's Hospital. 3 are in the ICU. As of today at UF Health, 218 people are hospitalized patients as of this morning with COVID-19. Between their 2 hospitals, 56 are in the ICU. At both hospitals, 90% of the new COVID-19 patients are not vaccinated. Doctors hope people will reconsider and get vaccinated as they try to help those that are getting a more contagious version of COVID-19.
And with every doctor that I talked to today, they had 3 things. They said they hope that people will wear a mask, they hope that they will social distance, but also get vaccinated. Reporting live at UF Health, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.